Now, how to use Vidiq best to rank higher on YouTube. Now, to use Vidiq, the first step is how to find it. Now, to find it, what you do is just open your search engine or your browser like this by clicking on it. Here, you can type this, or you can type just Vidiq like this. Now, just click on your search to search it. Here, it will bring you here. Now, slide down till you reach Vidiq. Here, you can see it. Now, click on it like this. Now, the second step is how to sign in. Now, to sign in, what you do is just click on this sign up for free here. Now, follow the process. Wait for it to load. Now, sign in with your Google email, any of your Google email. Now, click on this here, Gentle Shadow. Now, click on it, or use any other account. Now, click on continue here. Wait for it. As you can see, it is processing. Wait for it. As you can see, it is telling us to install it as an application. If you want, you can install it. As you can see, we have signed in. See it. You have just signed in. You can see it. Now here, you can remove this if you don't want to install it. Now here, I will show you how each feature works. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial, and because you will love this channel. Now click on this three-line icon on the top side here. Here you can see the features. Here you can generate a thumbnail. Here you can create a topic. Here you can outline your script. You can see the features. You see it here. You can see the features it has here. You can remove it by clicking here in order to remove it. Now here is where you will find your achievement by clicking this trophy icon here. Here is where you find your achievement. You see it. Now here, by clicking this back arrow icon is to go back here. Here in this your profile icon is where you find your profile detail. You see it. And also here you can click on this add channel and add another channel if you have another channel. Also, you can set your account by clicking on this account setting. You see it. You can set your channel by clicking this channel setting. You see it. And also you can change it to any language you like by clicking this English here. Click on this arrow icon. Select any language you like. You see it. Select it like this by clicking on it. And then it will automatically change it to the language. You see it. Now click on it again to change it here, because I understand English, so I will use English by clicking on this English. As you can see, it have changed to English. You see it. Now here, by clicking this icon again is to remove it like this. You see it. And also here is where you find the features like to generate thumbnails. Here is where you can generate thumbnails. You see here where you can find ideas. Here is where you can optimize your video, like adding more keywords to your video by clicking this optimization here. And also here, how to find keywords to rank your video. Now to find keywords to rank your video, what you do is just click on these keywords here. Wait for it to open. Now add the keyword like this. Type it like this. Like you see, what you do is now click on the search icon on your keyboard like this and wait for it to find the keywords. As you can see, it shows all the keywords and the overview. You see it. Here you can select the keyword by clicking this box icon here. You see it. Select it as many you want. Also, in order to access all the keywords, you click on this boost icon in order to access all the keywords and make your video rank more higher. By clicking on it, you see it. You see, you find matching keywords. You see it. See it. You can boost it by unlocking this boost. Is to find more matching keywords to make your video rank higher. Here, you see it. You see it. After selecting it, you add it on your video. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Once again, thank you most of all for watching. You can find a link to access this Vidiq tool on the description section and make your video rank higher. So, see you on the next video. Peace.